Raspberry Kingpin is in custody. Operation Berry Bust is complete.
Okay, they got the wrong guy. So I'm out, I'm safe. I'm still the Raspberry Kingpin. And we're gonna see what I yielded this year from the orchard in terms of raspberries. Let's take a look. $25, and they're 2.5 pounds in each bag. So that's pretty decent. Each bag also represents half an hour's worth of picking time in the orchard. I'll do a couple quick calculations to show you what this actually represents. I'm pretty pleased, very happy about this. So I can have smoothies every day throughout the winter, stay healthy and get my vitamins. Very good. It was all worth it, definitely worth it. Next year, hopefully I'll do even better. Okay, so now for some quick mathematics and calculations. Operation Berry Bust. I ended up with a total of 25 bags, each bag weighing 2.5 pounds. That equates to a total weight of 62.5 pounds or 1,000 ounces. Picking time, one bag equals 0.5 hours, therefore a total picking time of 12.5 hours. The total value, the price of raspberries on July 12th, 2025 at Sobeys was $10.99 Canadian for 12 ounces. Therefore, that equals 91 cents per ounce. The total value of my raspberries is 910 Canadian dollars. So there you have it.